Hello and welcome. So, I wanted today to talk about course platforms. A question I am asked all the time from people who either already have course platforms or have online courses and they're having trouble with it, or who are looking at putting their first online course up and they've got no idea which course platform to use. And the choice of your course platform is going to have a huge impact on how you feel about your course, how easy it is to run, and how your students deal with doing an online course. So today I wanted to go through some of the things to think about, and I'm also going to talk about the course platform that I'm currently using that I love, and that is after trying probably about 20 different online course platforms, and I finally found one that does absolutely everything that I want. So I'm excited to share that one with you. So for those who don't know me, my name's Kay Ross. I'm a coach, speaker, and course creator. I've been creating online courses for over 20 years now. I know that sounds a long time. I was in the academic sector, and I still remember the first time I had to do an online course, and I was freaking out, didn't know what to do, didn't know how to do it. So since then, I've done tons of research, have developed a lot of experience and skills in online courses and also online course platforms. So if you wanted to send me an email, it's k@krossbiz.com, website krossbiz.com. You can have a look at my Facebook page, facebook.com/krossbiz01, and my YouTube channel, b.link/K's YouTube. So have a look, and especially on my YouTube channel, I've got lots of free videos there on creating your online course. So have a look at those. If you like them, give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That'll help other people also find me. So let's jump in and talk about online course platforms. So there's five main options, and most course platforms are going to fit into one of these. So they are the do-it-yourself. Now, do-it-yourself is when people send out an email and it might have an attachment or it might have a link to a video somewhere, and they send that email out on a regular basis, and that's their course. There's also Marketplace, for example, Skillshare and Udemy, where you can upload your course to Udemy, for example, and they will do all the hosting and um, have your course there ready. Now, there's advantages and disadvantages. Big disadvantage is that you have to adhere to their rules and their guidelines. You have no control over how much you charge for the course. You can put down what you want to charge. I know people who've had courses, they've wanted to sell it for $97, and Udemy has a big sale and are selling it for $10, and there's nothing you can do about it. So it's a place where you can put your courses for free, but just be aware you have little control over how they do it. Learning management systems is the one that I'm going to talk more about a bit later. So also sometimes referred to as LMS, and they are standalone systems such as Thinkific, Teachable, etc. There's also all-in-one platforms such as Kajabi, Kartra, and there's the one I'm using, which is System. Plugin apps, if you've got a WordPress site and you want to have your course on your WordPress site, you can have plugins like MemberPress, LearnDash, etc. They work, but you do have to have some tech knowledge, but you have full control over the course. And then, of course, there's custom built. A lot of the big course creators have somebody build their course platform for them from scratch. That is an option if you've got lots of money, lots of time, and you've got an IT team ready to do that for you. So all of those do have advantages and disadvantages. As I said, I want to make mine as easy as possible, and which is why I've gone for number 3, learning management system. So if you're ready to start your online course and you just want to get a flavour of what it's like to be a student and also to use a platform, you can enrol in my free 3 Steps to Course Creation Toolkit. Now, what this course does is take you through the 3 main things you need to think about. The first one is choosing your topic, the second one is looking at your content, and the third one is choosing your course platform. So you'll get more information on that. As I said, it's completely free. So the link is there, b.link/JSXWY8. You can click on that, and I'll also have a link below for you to do that. If you forget it, send me an email, k@krossbiz.com, and I will send you the link. Now, these are some of the advertising stuff that's going on at the moment about online courses. Online courses are a billion-dollar industry, and it's growing more and more each day. Over the last 2 years or so, it's really taken off in a big way because of COVID. So you've got lots of options to choose from when you're looking at setting up your online course. So when I talk to course creators in terms of what they want from their learning management system, most say they want it free or cheap. They want something that's easy to use. They also want it easy for participants. They want someone else to look after the problems and the admin, and they want pretty much a click and forget system. So if you're looking at those things, then I do have a solution for you, and we're going to go into that in more detail in a moment. So when you're thinking about your online course, the first thing I'd say is make a list of your must-haves. What do you absolutely have to have in your course? So think about the costs, either both upfront and ongoing. So some platforms charge you a percentage of what you sell. Others have monthly or yearly subscription plans. So have a look and see which one works for you. Also be aware of how many students you can have in the online course you're going to want to be running. Choose something that's easy to use. Let's face it, we don't have time to be fiddling all day, every day, trying to get it to work. And just ensure that it does what it says it will do. There's nothing worse than putting your course online and then realize it actually doesn't work the way you want it to work. Now, as I said, I have tried about 20 different online course platforms, and all of them have advantages. Some of them have huge disadvantages, which has meant that I've kept looking, wanting to find my ideal solution. And really, I wanted something that was cheap or easy and free and had large student numbers. I wanted it to be easy to use, and I wanted it to do what it says it will do. So really the best way to check that out is look at free trials and test it out first before you pay for it. Maybe about that. So the questions to think about before we go any further in terms of your online course is ask yourself, how techy are you? And if you can use Windows, if you can use basic computer, then that means you do have some of the basic skills you will need for your course. Ask yourself, how hands-on do you want to be? Some courses or learning management systems, you're in charge of everything. Others will do the back-end stuff for you. Think about how many students you want, how many courses you want to have up, how much do you want to pay. Think about, do they take a percentage of the fee? Whatever course you choose, you'll always have to pay PayPal and Stripe fees, so that's non-negotiable because the money's got to go somewhere. Ask yourself, do you want it just for courses or do you want an all-in-one solution? How long have they been around? What are people saying about it? Is there a free option? And really, I'd say don't go with any learning management system that doesn't have a free option, because you need to check it out first. How flexible is it, and what is their customer service like? Now, they're all really important questions that only you can answer for yourself. I know for me, that's the process I went through when choosing my learning management systems. Which brings me to my favourite platform, it's System. Now, this has been around for years. It's only in the last 2 to 3 years got the English version. Before that, they released it in France to make sure that it worked. And I have been using it for about 6 months now, and I love it. So I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about it and then you can decide whether it is something you want to look at as well. Now, the old way when setting up your course was you told people about it, then you needed to connect the platform with your email provider, then you needed to email your list about your course, you needed to tell people on social media, set up your PayPal Stripe, set up funnels and connect with the course platform, upload and link your content and videos, enroll people in your course, set up autoresponders, send a welcome email, send regular emails. Now, that's a long list and there's a lot of steps in there. There's a lot of connecting between emails and platforms and videos and funnels. And if you're starting to feel overwhelmed, I did too. And what I realized I wanted was somewhere where I could just do everything in the one place where it was already connected and I didn't have to worry about it. But I'm surprised at how many people are spending hours every day connecting all these things, then making sure they work, and then making sure the links don't break down. And in the meantime, they're getting emails from frustrated students saying, I can't log in, the funnel didn't work, I couldn't pay for it, um, I can't find the course anywhere. If you want to get away from all of those problems, then I'd suggest you look at one of the all-in-one solutions, which for me is System. So if you are looking at your online course, you will need some sort of email system, which System does. You'll need a website. You'll need some forms and an opt-in page because you need people to sign on somewhere. You need a sales page so that you can tell people about it. You need a thank you page to thank people for signing up, and you need a course platform, and then you need to get them to talk to each other. That costs money. It also costs a lot of time and effort. You can integrate using services such as Zapier, Integrately and Pably. They cost money, and I don't know about you, but I wanted to make it easy without having to pay every time somebody clicked a Zap link, and I wanted it to talk to each other already, so I didn't have to worry about all that sort of stuff. So we come back to System. System, you only have to set it up once. Everything's in the one place. They're all connected and talk to each other. One thing I absolutely love about it is it hosts videos, so you don't need to have a subscription to Vimeo, etc., to put your videos on. It looks great and it's easy to use, and you can grab your free account here, bit.ly/3TYL67R. Again, I will send you that link. So this is the sign up page for System, and as it says there, it does sales funnels, email marketing, online courses, website builder, affiliate program management, which I'm not going to talk about today, and marketing automations, which means that when somebody signs up to your course, you grab their email and you can send them out regular emails and have that done automatically. So for me, this was a no-brainer. So you can save at least $320 a month. If you looked at some of the other funnel builders, such as Lead Pages and ClickFunnels, they start at $97 a month. In System, it's all built in. You can also have email marketing. The cheapest I could see was around $20 a month. System has it inbuilt. Membership hosting, that's your course platform, starting at $99 a month. In System, it's already built in. An affiliate program, when you're ready to set that up, usually starts around $97 a month. With System, you've got it there ready. Video hosting, as I've already said, starts at $7 a month. But System has all of these features all in the same place, and the big thing is you can get it for free, which means you can put your first course online, no cost, see how it works, and if you like it and when you're ready for your next course, then you choose the price plan that you think works best for you. Now, as I said, you can start for free. And in fact, they've actually just increased this. The free program includes 2,000 contacts. You can send as many emails as you want, 3 sales funnels, 10 steps, 1 blog, unlimited blog posts, one membership site or course, unlimited storage space, unlimited site members on your membership site. So that means that if you've been thinking about setting up a course platform, you want one that's free, you want to try it out, you want one that includes everything you could ever need, then really you cannot go past system. You owe it to yourself and your students to give it a go. So the options for system, remember it includes absolutely everything you need. The first course is free forever, and you can start today. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch over to my web page and show you quickly how you can set up a course in system. So just give me a sec. Okay, now this is the um, web page for system, and I'm just going to set up a quick new free. So all I need to start is my email. So I've just set that up as a new one. Oh, sorry. So I've just been sent an email, so I'm going to pause this while I go and find that. Okay, welcome back. So I went into my email and verified it, and it brought me straight to the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Obviously this is a brand new account, so I've got no sales, etc. in it. But I just wanted to quickly show you how to set up a course, and if you look at my other YouTubes, you'll see more information. But we just go to product sale, go down to courses, and oops, there's no course there. Well, obviously there isn't a course there, so I'm going to add a new course. I'm going to call it new course. I can change that down the track. I can put in a description. This is the URL path for the course. So I'm just going to put in new course. My custom domain, I can change that by adding a domain later on. I can add a logo. I can show module titles to the students, etc. So you've got some options there. So I'm just going to save that. And I've got a new course there. So I need to add a module. For this one, I'm just going to call it module 1. And I can add as many modules as I want. So I can add another one. Etc. So I can put in as many as I want. If I go back to module 1, there's no lectures there, so I add a lecture, and let's just call it welcome. You can drip, what we call drip feed it, so you might want to have the welcome model, they get access to that immediately, and then the subsequent models you can choose whether when somebody buys the course they get all the modules at once, or whether you can drip feed them so they get the next module after 7 days, etc. There's 2 templates you can use, so you can go into either of those. I'll just use this one for the moment. And so in less than a minute, I've created the first module, I've created the first lecture, and this is the template. Now, over here is everything you can add to your course. Now, for example, let's say that I want to put headline text in up the top here. All I need to do, as you saw, I just grab that, bring it over here, and just change that to welcome. Click change changes, save changes, and I've got my first bit done. Now here's the video here. Obviously in my course I don't want a welcome to system. So I just click on it, go to the little cog, and over here I would add, if I wanted to use YouTube, a custom embed, which means that you're using another video hosting system. I can upload a file from my computer and I can do a direct link. Now, if I wanted to upload a file, I'll just click that, and I need to. So for today, just as to show you how easy it is, I'm just going to use one of my YouTubes. So I have got the link there, and that's it, it's done. You can put it on autoplay, on or off, controls on, etc. So that's how easy it is. I'm going to save those changes. Then basically lecture 1, what to do next. And then you can actually type straight into here, or you can cut and paste. So I'll just, hello, you can put notes down there, and then you can change the picture. That picture isn't one that I want, so I'll just change that. And again, I can get rid of that. Upload, I don't think, no, I haven't got any images there because I've just started this. So I'm going to go to pictures, and let's put a beach ball in there. So I'll just put a beach ball there. There's my ball, insert, and there's the ball. That's how easy it is. And really, when you go through here, you've got text, your headline text, which I showed you. You can put in a bulleted list, which is this one here. A content box, you can put in columns, 4, 3, 2, rows and sections. I could add a button. So let me just put in a button down here. And you can, if I click on the button, go on to the cogs. So what do you want to happen when people click in the URL? So let's just say I want them to go to my website. You could also have it set up to go to your sales page, or a video you want them to watch, doesn't really matter. So, and I've just put on opening a new window. I can change the background color. Let's say I want it green, so there it is, green. I can change what it actually says. I can, where is it? So subtext here. You can see that changed as I did it. And really, you can put anything you want. I've got it set up with my link. I'm going to save that, and if I want to have a good quick look at what the page looks like to my students, then there it is. There's the video I put in, I changed that, there's the bouncy ball, the link, I can make that smaller if I want to, and then when people get down the bottom, it gets marked as complete and they go on to the second module. So really, that's just a really quick overview of how to set up a course on System. As I said, you can set up funnels, you'll have a list of contacts and put in tags, go back to your dashboard, and obviously once you're happy with your first course, you'd go in and upgrade your course. I can go over here and go into settings and throw in my name, phone number, all that sort of stuff that I want. I can put in a picture, and it's just me. If I was a company, I'd do that one, but you can see we've got all that stuff there. So that's it. That's a quick overview of how to set up a course in System. If you've got any questions, let me know. And as I said, my name's Kay Ross. Email me kay@krossbiz.com, and I will post the link for you to use down below. So hope you found this useful, and I hope to see you on System soon. Bye.